Hello and welcome back to the channel. Here is a quick question for you. What is more difficult? Is it creating the long form content or repurposing the long form content into short form content for TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels? Well, I know that struggle is real and difficult. And most of the people nowadays, prefer to watch shorts or reels as compared to the long form videos on the YouTube. But what if I could tell you that you can just upload your long form video and an AI can chop your long form video into multiple short clips, complete it with the captions and highlights and punchlines and all the hooks and make it to be potential to get viral. That's where the Opus Clips comes into the picture. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chirag and in this video I'm going to break down everything about Opus Clip, what it does, what it is for, what you get with the free plan versus paid plan, and whether it is actually worth paying for Opus Clip or not. Especially if you are a content creator or an AI enthusiast, or you are just tired of editing your long video and cutting and making different short videos, then you are gonna want to watch this video till the end. So let's get started. But if you're new to this channel, then my name is Chirag and I make videos on AI tools, cool tech gadgets, and everything about improving the efficiency and productivity of a content creator. So before starting this video, please hit that subscribe button. It really goes a long way. So what is Opus Clip? Well, it is an AI tool that takes your long form video and automatically converts it into the short form content optimized for different kind of platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. When you upload your video, what Opus Clip does it finds different highlights, it adds automatic subtitles to your video, it zooms, it punches, it cuts the flops, and it delivers the bite-sized clip that are ready to post on any platform. So who is this AI tool actually for? Well, if you are a YouTuber, a podcaster, a coach, online educator, or a content creator in any kind of niche, this tool is right for you. And also, if you are new to usage of AI tool, then you don't need to worry because Opus Clip is pretty beginner friendly. The dashboard, if you see, it's pretty clean, super clean, no complicated menus. Just upload your video, wait for a few minutes, and download your clips. It is as simple. By the way, I have mentioned the link to the Opus Clip in the description below in case you want to try the free version of Opus Clip. Then just click on that link and enjoy the free version to try out by yourself how it turns out for you. Now, let me give you a real example of using Opus Clip. So I uploaded this 15 minutes video into Opus Clip and it gave me 7 amazing clips, and some of these clips and highlights were just outstanding. I didn't even realize that there were so many good memories until I watched them back. And honestly, sometimes I feel these AI tools understand my content much better than I do. Now, let's talk about some of the cool features of Opus Clips that really makes it an amazing AI tool. First, it gives every clip an AI virality score. Now, once you upload the video and it converts into clip, every clip gets virality score out of 100. Now, the score is based on the pacing, keywords, and engagement potential and the potential to get viral. Now, this virality score is of course not perfect, but it's amazingly helpful. Another cool feature is its highlight detection. It is a feature that that finds the most engaging part of your video automatically, and it's something like if there is any quotes or questions or some aha moment of the video, or even if it like a joke or something humorous, it finds that part and highlights that thing. Another cool feature is it generates automatic subtitle. Yes, once the clips are generated, it generates different styles of subtitle automatically with different emoji supports, and it's very easy to customize those subtitles. You can tweak the font size, colors, and background and everything. So it's super cool. Another thing is it also has some cool face tracking and smart zoom feature, which makes the clip look really like they are actually edited for the different kind of social platform, and it adds that vertical video feel to any kind of movement, be it like if it is short, doesn't matter if it is short vertically or horizontally. And the last thing is it also has multilingual support. Yes, it works with non-English content as well, which means if you speak multiple language or if you make videos in some different language apart from English for your audience, even then this tool is super helpful for you. Now let's talk about the most important thing, and that is pricing options. Opus Clip has a free plan as well as multiple paid plans. Though the free plan is quite generous, it gives you 60 minutes of output every month, which is pretty good, but there is a big catch. The biggest problem in using the free plan is each and every video output that you get in free plan has a very big watermark of Opus Clip, which is a kind of frustrating for many people. Even I personally don't like it. Another problem with the free plan is you don't get access to this AI virality scoring and other advanced features that it offers in the paid plan. So the free plan is great to test the tool to see how exactly if it is really helpful to you, but there are a lot of limitations. And the biggest problem is, as I said, it's watermark. Now, if we talk about the paid plan as on July 2025, there are three options. First is starter plan, which is $15 a month, in which you get 150 credits a month, where one credit is equal to 1 minute of output. And even in the first basic plan, you get output without watermark, which is amazing. You also get AI virality scores, curation, and a lot of other AI features, which is not there in free plan. The processing is, of course, much faster in paid plan as compared to free plan. Now, if you talk about the second plan, that is Pro plan, which is actually $29 a month. But as of now, there is a deal going on, which means you can right now take advantage of Pro plan at $14.5 for the first year, which is even cheaper than the starter plan. If you want to take advantage of this offer and want to get Opus Clip Pro plan at $14.5, just click the link in the description and enjoy Opus Clip at $14.5 for the first year. Now, if we talk about the difference between starter plan and pro plan, then the pro plan offers 3,600 credits per year, which means 3,600 minutes of output every year. And you get these 3,600 minutes instantly, which means it's around like 300 credits a month. That is double the starter plan that you get. On top of that, it has all the features of starter plan, plus you get high quality export features. You get brand kit, which means you can upload your logo and brand materials in it. So every output is with your brand kit. On top of that, you get priority rendering and a lot more additional AI features, which are missing even in the starter paid plan. And the last plan is business plan, which has even more additional features, and its pricing is customized, which means you need to request them to get the pricing for business plan. It's for team, it's for agencies. It might not be really helpful for an individual content creator, but if you're an agency or if you have a team of people, then this is really amazing for you. I'll mention the link in the description if you want to check out and compare the all the features of this prepaid plans. Just click on the link and check out by yourself. So the bottom line is the free plan is great for the casual or occasional user, or if you want to just try the tool and see if it's really worth for you. But if you're creating content every week or batch wise and you need more output, then you will quickly hit the limit of 60 minutes a month. And also the biggest problem is watermark. As I said, you want like the content, the output that comes with the watermark. And especially if you're creating content for your client, then of course free plan is of no use for you. You need to, in that case, go for the paid plan. But the biggest question is Opus Clip really worth paying for? Well, the answer is yes or no. It depends on your usage. Well, it's really worth paying if you publish long form videos regularly, that is every week or twice a week, then it's really worth for you. If you're really active on platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, then of course it's worth going for it. If you want to expand your reach without hiring the editor, and if you make long form video and you want to convert that and get more reach, then of course it's worth paying for. And if you batch record content, that is long form videos, and if you want to repurpose those videos, and of course if you don't like watermark, then it's definitely worth paying for Opus Clip. However, I have found another workaround for this. If you really want to get the reels for free, and that too without watermark, if you have like limited usage, then there is one solution. You can just click on this video over here and watch it after watching this video, and you can see how you can use or get the reels for free. You can also find the link from below in the description. Now, if you only post video once a month or sometimes a month, then it makes no sense in paying for Opus Clip. It might be expensive deal for you. Or if you prefer like full control over editing, even then the manual editing would be a better option. Here there are very much limitation in terms of flexibility. Or if you already have an editor or a team of editor who can do all the editing manually, of course no point of going for Opus Clip. Or if you don't mind output with the watermark, and if you have like very limited usage, even then you can go for free plan. It has pretty much a lot of things. But for a lot of creators, even a $15 a month starter plan can be very helpful. It can save a lot of time every week. And you're not just paying for the clips, you're actually paying for saving your time. the time that you can use to make more videos, to grow your channel, and you can do a lot more thing in the time that you save by using Opus Clip. So here are some few tips which can help you to get maximum benefit out of Opus Clip. The first thing is always use high energy video, because the more dynamic your original content and original footage is, the better the clips would be. Now, Opus Clips loves the passion, the pacing, and the moment of emphasis, because that's what it extracts from the video and creates the reel from. Another thing is trim the beginning and ending of your video, clean up your video before uploading. In this way you can save a lot of time in processing, and it can remove a lot of filler content, and you get like very precise output, and you can also save your minutes of output by doing that way. Another tip is, AI does great job in terms of captioning, but always check your captions before posting video anywhere. There are a lot of chances of having typos and different kind of formatting mistakes, so it's always a good idea to do all the corrections and choose the style that you think is best for your video. Another thing is always experiment with the title and thumbnails. Yes, like any YouTuber will suggest you that title and thumbnail are the very important factor which helps a viewer in deciding whether to click that video or watch that video or not. So always experiment with the thumbnails, titles. If one doesn't work, try changing and see if that works, and follow that pattern. And the last thing is always use the virality score feature of Opus Clip. As I said, it's not perfect, but it's really amazing. What you need to do is just focus on sharing the top scoring clip first, because there are more chances of getting better engagement. There are more chances of getting viral. So now, before I tell you my final verdict about Opus Clips, do let me know in comment, what do you think about Opus Clip? Is it really worth paying for Opus Clip, or is there any better alternative of Opus Clips? So I think Opus Clip is one of the most useful AI tool, and it's of course not perfect, but it is really fast, it's smart, and it makes the content repurposing process way less painful. So if you are a content creator and if you want to work smarter and not harder, then I think Opus Clip is 100% worth trying for you. Start with the free plan to check if this tool is really worth for you, and if it really saves your time, if it reduces your stress, then you can consider upgrading and going for the paid plan. And as I mentioned earlier, I have mentioned the link in the description. If you really want to try for free, just click on the link and enjoy the free version. And if you also want to take advantage of this $14.5 per month for pro plan, then do click the link and take the advantage for the first year. If this video really helped you, then please hit that like button, share it with your friend, and do let me know in comment, what do you think about Opus Clip? Have you tried Opus Clip? What are your views about Opus Clip? Or is there any other tool which you like more than Opus Clip? And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more deep dive videos on AI tools, productivity hacks, and honest review about different gadgets and AI tools which can save a lot of time and money. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.